In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to disable the sync in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window before we can proceed. Once it's here, please click on the open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. We just have to wait until it would be ready for us before we continue. So once it is being ready, when you click on this user profile icon, you can see there that the sync is on. And in order to disable or turn the sync, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the three dots, click on it to customize and control Google Chrome, and please scroll down and click on settings, which has this gear icon. In that moment, you would be redirected to this window called Chrome settings, where here under the U and Google, you can see there the sync, it's syncing to your laptop or a PC. And in order to turn it off or disable, just turn it off, click on it, and go with turn off. So this will sign you out of your Google accounts, your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more will no longer be synced. Okay? So that's it. Once you have clicked on this, you would be able to disable or turn off the sync in your Google Chrome. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.